ways to do this question, but I guess my preferred way would be to deal with the negative exponents first. And negative exponents, when something has a negative exponent, it means it's on the wrong side of the fraction. So we can take care of it by moving it to the opposite side. So if we move this x to the -2 to the opposite side, it becomes +2. And if we move this y to the -1 to the opposite side, it becomes +1. So we'll have y to the +1 and the y to the 1/2 that was already there. And we'll have x to the +2 and the x to the 1/3 that was already there. Now, once again, there are a lot of things we can do here. Sometimes you're a little lucky if the first thing you try is the thing that really was necessary on a particular question. But just be reminded right now that if I have the square root of something, well, any number really has an exponent of 1, and a square root really has an invisible 2 right there. So this would really be a to the 1/2. Similarly, if you have a cube root, because there's that invisible number 1 on the a for the exponent, then that would be a to the 1/3. So a square root of a number is the same as that number to the 1/2. A cube root of a number is the same as that number to the 1/3. So perhaps the most effective thing we can do right here is to leave the y to the 1, that's just y, and y to the 1/2, that's square root of y. X to the 2, we can leave, but x to the 1/3, that's cube root of x. And this all matches perfectly with answer choice D.